This type of material that you see on the wall is leftover from cover sheets that comes with regular material that gets shipped to us. It's 1/8 of an inch and it's MDF, so it's really easy to rip and to cut on the fill. What I do is I cut everything to 2.5 inches and I keep this material in my van, and then I utilize any type of spray glue. In my case I use the 90 3M high strength glue to put the pieces together. So the purpose of this is to be able to manufacture the whole thing at the shop, and then even install the mirrors and come to the field and with one attempt to make it fit. And a couple of tips. Example, I hold the template like shy of 1/16 from the ends, from the walls, and then I also keep it away from the window 1/4 of an inch. That gives me the play that I need in case the window is off plumb, which usually they are, and then also the walls are a little bit off plumb. And even though I'm making the template exactly to fit, I do want like 1/32 of an inch gap so I can get it in without scratching the walls. At the end I go ahead and put caulking in those little gaps. I have some footage here. As you can see, we went ahead and test the mirror. That was the only time we tested, and then we lower it to the ground in order to put the adhesive in the back. I used regular liquid nails, and then I went ahead and I had to put about 3 micro nails on the left hand side of the window because I was having a gap over there, just to hold a frame to the wall. And then I proceeded to put caulking everywhere where there was small gaps. Then the other thing I did was I put 4 screws across the top because the crown molding, as you can see, was gonna cover it. And after putting the crown molding, I went ahead and put caulking, white caulking everywhere. And I utilize also the good bright caulking so it doesn't get dirty over time. Unfortunately, sometimes I don't have the time, I don't have the space, or I don't have the equipment to take footage with more details, but I hope you can have the idea from this one over here. For watching.